Long distance relationships work. My opinion on them is that they absolutely work so long as the people in that long distance relationship are communicating directly, openly, and honestly. It just requires a significant amount of communication. And I've actually seen that people who navigate long distance relationships effectively will sometimes navigate proximal relationships effectively because they've learned how to communicate directly. But you've got to transfer those skills. So it's not enough to just be like, oh, right, we were in a long distance relationship. Now let's rewrite it while we're together. You can take those skills and say, what did we have to do to make this long distance relationship work? And how can we maybe pull some of those skills into a proximal relationship? But if you're in a long distance relationship, you are not doomed. You are only doomed in a long distance relationship if you do not communicate at all about what you want. If you're passive, if you are, if you're avoiding saying certain things because you're worried it'll be upsetting, those are the things that destroy long distance relationships. You got to be on the same page with how that's being navigated.